Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be sort of chopped up. I apologize. I was not happy with the way things were going when I was filming this, but I'm here to do a voiceover and I apologize. But today we are going to be talking about maniology because we all love us some maniology. And I actually have 3 different packages. 2 of them were orders that I placed. One of them is a PR package, and this plate is one of the items that was in my order, one of my orders, and I love it. And it's plate M527, and it is called, hold on, 527 retro patterns. I freaking love it, y'all. Again, forgive me, don't even pay no mind to what my hands are doing because I'm over here just blabbering on and on. Retro patterns is M527. Love that. This is Retro Lover M330. This has given me like Atari vibes, like retro gamer vibes. I love this. Oh my God, I love this so much. This is the limited edition mini stamping plate organizer holder in snowflakes. Now, this thing, y'all, it perfectly coordinates or coordinated with the Christmas box, like the oh, sorry, my brain is farting right now, but it's very Sputnik, very retro, very 50s and 60s. Y'all know what Maniology's Christmas box looked like. Stunning, gorgeous. I could not wait to get my hands on this, and y'all, it's still available. It's only 12 doll hairs, but oh yeah, you can also get a sticker in your little orders if you'd like, but use code BLL10, save 10%, you guys, when you shop at the old Maniologies. I'm so excited to have the coordinating stamping plate holder to go along with my box. All right, so this is one of my, or actually the second order that I placed. And I can't remember what the name of this plate was, but it's M, whatever the heck y'all just saw. It's sort of like a toile plate. Love it. Also obsessed with this one, M332. This one's called, actually no, hold on. I don't have the name for this because it's sold out. I apologize, so sorry. But I'm really feeling some reverse stamped florals on this plate. Love, love, love. This one is called, I think it's 324. It's called Ghoulish Garden. And if you're a plant lover, if you're a Halloween lover, go ahead and pick this up because it's sort of a little bit I don't know, subtly Halloween, not quite sure. 041 is called Winter Occasions, and I love this so much. It is a little bit subtle, I guess. It's not like in your face, winter, whatever. M3, what is this called? Sorry, not what's it called? M026 is called Daisy Downer. Look at her. You can like mix and match your little faces. She can have the attitude that you have. Look at her. Look at her over here with her little hands on her hips like, no ma'am, Pam. Daisy Downer is 026. Oh, I'm just obsessed. I love this so much. She can be happy, she can be sad, and over here on the right side of the plate, you have some little wordings and some, nopes and like the whole thing. I just love this so much. 512, M512 is called Candy Cane Cove. The reason I picked this up is because I actually tried to hand drawer. Y'all know I'm terrible at hand drawing, but I tried to hand drawer a peppermint on my nail for my Christmas mani. It was awful. It was y'all. I wish I would have taken a photo. It was terrible, but next year, hopefully, I will be able to stamp an actual peppermint swirl or a candy swirl on my nail for the holiday season. But this plate also has like layered candy canes. It's beautiful. I love it. Y'all should have seen my freaking hand drawn candy cane swirl. It was freaking terrible. That was M512 Candy Cane Cove. This plate is M511. This is Winter Botanicals. Now, y'all, let me just go ahead. Y'all already know. If a company slaps the word botanicals on something, my ass is buying it, okay? I don't know why. I'm obsessed. Y'all already know. I freaking love florals. But this plate is beautiful because the right side of it has like these little tiny images. Perfect for like if you have little tiny baby nails. Look at this. Look at these little freaking berries over here. If you have little tiny baby nails, do not be afraid of this plate. It's stunning. It's stunning. I know. I'm never gonna not say stunning and beautiful and like the whole thing. Y'all know how I am. If I was younger and my eyes worked better and my hands were steadier, man, I could really create some gorgeous reverse stamped images with this plate. It's beautiful, but don't shy away from these larger images or the smaller ones. But the piece de resistance. Can I even say that? The Sun Rays collection. You guys, I saw this short on Maniology's YouTube channel a year and a half ago, maybe. Look. Oh my God. Okay. So I have wanted to get my hands on the Sun Rays collection. Every time I go out to the website, it's always sold out. But this one time, they reached out to me and they were like, "Hey, would you like to do some PR?" And I was like, "Yes." Oh my God, the Sun Rays collection is in stock. What the heck? Let's get it. Let's open up this box. I loved this collection so much. It's 3 polishes. They are duochromy a little bit. The shimmer, honestly, oh my God, look at this. Oh, shut up. Oh my God. The shimmers in these polishes, they are stunning. This one is called Sandbar. The polish in the bottle looks pink. The shimmer looks orange. But when you guys get these in your hands, and by the way, as I'm talking about this, as I'm showing this to y'all, it is still available on the website. Go grab it. Use BLL10, save 10% on everything on Maniology's website. What was that called? Sandbar? Yes. This one is called Fish Scale. Again, it looks, maybe it doesn't look opaque, but it's not opaque. And this one is called, what is this one? Seaweed. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. I need to calm down. Okay, just take a breath, Tara. I know you're really excited about this polish collection, you guys. Okay, wait. Just wait. We're going to do a smush design just like Maniology did in their video, in their long video, in their short. Look at these polishes. Oh my God, you guys. I know. I'm sorry. I cannot stop talking about them. I have dreams about them. I've been waiting for a year and a half to get my hands on these, and oh, they're just so beautiful. Okay, so I did fuck this up. All right, I'm sorry, Maniology. I used the F word, but here's what had happened. I I'm doing practice tips, right, in this video. And I used a black gel polish. What I should have done was wiped off the tacky layer. Yes, I know, Tara, these polishes are beautiful. I should have wiped off the tacky layer, which I did, from the gel polish. I should have topped them with a matte top coat. That's what I should have done, but that's not what I did. And you guys will see how I effed these up, and I'm sorry. So here are my tips. They're all base coated with a black gel polish. I did wipe off the tacky layer, but again, I should have done a matte top coat, which I did not do. So here are the polishes themselves before we dive into the nail art. Here are the polishes just with no base coat, just naked. And then here they are over a black base. Look how stunning these are. I love these so much. If you want the most bang for your buck, put these over a black base. So I'm going to use, for my little smush mani, the Maniology Ice Cube stamper. I love the stamper so much. But first and foremost, we are going to put on our little palette each of these polishes. I'm going to do, forgive me, I don't know the names of these, but I'm going to do the pink one, and then the green one, and then the yellow one. And then when they're all on the little palette, we are going to sort of swirl them together a little bit. And then I'm going to pick them up with my little ice cube stamper. Listen, if you're brand new to nail art, do a smush mani, okay? There is no rhyme or reason. That you don't have to be perfect about it. Like, it's still going to turn out like flawlessly. So look, they're all just like plopped on the palette. I'm just going to run a little dotting tool through them, pick that up with my little stamper, and then literally smush it. I'm just going to smush it on my little tip here. Or if you're doing it on yourself, smush it on your little nail. Now, here's the thing. And I did this on 3 nails. When they're all done being smushed and they're sitting off to the side, whatever, they look great. That looks like some like thermonuclear thing happening. Yeah, just go back in to your wet polish with your little stamper or whatever the heck you're doing. Pardon me. And just keep smushing. Like, look, it's beautiful. I was obsessed with every single one of these nails until, and you guys are about to see, If y'all don't know, gel polish and regular polish do not really, they don't coexist, okay, together. They don't work well together. They hate each other. Given enough time, as you will see, like right here, they look great. Fine. Like, that's serviceable, right? But given enough time, they will start to react to each other. And I don't know. Like, I knew that going in, but I was so excited about just putting these polishes on a black gel base. I didn't think it through. So look at this one on the far right. Look how wrinkly it's already getting. It's starting to do that like reaction thing. And this is not the only nail, I think, that that happens with in this video, but still, like, look, like, I'm still just like, oh my God, look how gorgeous that is. All right, so we already know the nail on the far right is getting a little bit lumpy bumpy. We're gonna do some stamping with 511, which I think is called Winter Botanicals. And I'm gonna use Maniology's white stamping polish, which is Bam White. And I'm just gonna pick up a few of these sort of random, like small images on this plate, plop them down, you know, randomly, whatever the heck you want your nails to look like. There's literally, I have not had a single Maniology plate that does not pick up well. Okay, look at this. Look, it's It's like an alien life form. I don't know. I don't know what's happening over here. Well, I do, but I don't care about what's happening over here because I still love it. Look at that. It's still really cool and beautiful, and I didn't mean to make it happen, but hey, it happened. So yeah, back to the plates. Pick up whatever little tiny images you want. I love these freaking pine cones. So I'm like, yes, please, give me all of the pine cones. Love that. And then I'm going to top it with some smudge-free top coat. Again, we're talking about non-gel polish interacting with gel polish. And you can see now probably all three of my nails are starting to wrinkle up. It's a bad thing. However, I'm just practicing. I'm just swatching these plates for y'all. I'm just showcasing the polishes themselves. If I was doing this on myself, I would not interact right with the gel and the regular polish without some sort of barrier between them. But here we are. Here we are. This is what we're doing. And here we go. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you stuck around to the very end, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. And I will see y'all in my next one. Bye!